Hello and welcome to Leaders of Tomorrow, India's only daily television platform for small businesses. We bring you the right information to empower you, the SME entrepreneur. I'm Sunanda Jayaseelan, to the influencer conversations here on the show tonight. First up is Inventz Life Sciences. On the other side of a break, lifespan in focus tonight. First, the influencer conversation tonight is with Inventz Life Sciences, which is aiming to bring innovative and cost-effective products directly to its consumers. In fact, I'm being joined by the MD of the company, J. Jayaseelan, popularly called as JJ, to run us through what the company does. JJ, good having you here joining us on the show. Let's talk about your journey at Inventz Life Sciences. You were started in the year 2017. It's been about two and a half years now in the growth of the company. What really has that journey been like for you?
Regarding the journey of Inventz, basically we are from pharmaceutical background. Myself, we are into the healthcare for over 30 years. We have ethical promotion of pharmaceutical products for more than 10 years in all India, and the company name is Inventz Formulations. We promoted a lot of unique technologies and unique product in India. As part of this journey, we thought those technologies which can be taken to more number of people. So we were planning to come into the direct to promotion to the customers vertical, that is over the counter products. That is the way we incorporated Inventz Life Sciences in 2017, and we launched 3 of the products right now.
You're an aggregator as far as healthcare as well as beauty products are concerned, and my question is, if you can use this platform to really talk to our viewers about maybe 1 or 2 of the top challenges that you've really faced in this space.
The challenges, the common challenges of promoting a over-the-counter healthcare product, if you say there is a regulatory challenges, we cannot promote just like that any product across without getting the regulatory approval. And also if you see beauty products are also, there are a lot of guidelines when you go on. If it is a health product, we should get license from the drug authority, or if it is a food product, we should get license from SSAI, Food and Safety Control Authority. Similarly, Ayurvedic product, we should get license. So a lot of regulatory challenges are there. But Inventz, apart from this, having a unique kind of challenge, what we faced in launching or in our products was, our technology was very new. We introduced orally disintegrating strips technology in India. That is actually, if you see when we launched our pharmaceutical product itself, we are the first company launched an antiemetic product in orally disintegrating strips. For vomiting, you cannot take a tablet or liquid and take it arrested so easily. This is a very novel, unique technology. It was available internationally. We brought into India and we launched it and promoted through doctors. That is where we thought we should bring this technology to the general products like oral hygiene products, say nicotine, tobacco cessation products like that. So we launched all those products. So for Inventz, the special challenges was explaining this technology to the consumer itself is a challenge because it's a novel one and it's a new technology.
Let's discuss Fresh Melts, which is your mouth freshener and cleanser strips, one of its kind really as far as India is concerned. Talk to us about the innovation behind that, what the response has been, what that product is, how the product really has been doing in the market.
I think everybody appreciates today for oral hygiene market is a huge market. Right from toothpaste, mouthwash, anything, everybody talks on oral hygiene market. I don't think morning 6:30 somebody having a brush, and you cannot have 24 hours mouth freshness after eating food, after traveling, after a nap. Lot of things we are doing in a day. So internationally, if you see, this oral hygiene market is well established, well developed and extended. There are a lot of oral mouth fresheners selling. So in India, there is a gap. Everybody maximum thought just a mouthwash. or everybody was forced to believe that a toothpaste can give a mouth freshener, which is, of course, you will accept that it is not true. So we thought we should launch a oral hygiene product which should keep the freshness and clean breath for anywhere, every time. So anytime you want, the consumer should be able to take it, and as per their need, they can use it. So we launched this fresh melts, first of its kind in India, where these oral strips can be put into the mouth. Within 20 seconds, it will melt and it will give a very good mouth feeling in the mouth, and mouth would be fresh and the breath would be also clean and fresh. And this would be very handy, useful for any age group. No, it is sugar free and it is handy for everybody. So it's not only for selected group, and it can be used by everybody, anywhere, anytime. So that's the uniqueness of fresh melts.
I understand you also have a product for smokers who are trying to quit smoking and cigarettes. Talk to us more about that.
Yeah, nice question, Sunanda. Like, see, everybody knows smoking is injurious. Smoking is a slow but sure way of suicide. But unfortunately, smoking has become a very big habit. And what we thought is, if for the anti-smoking product, say, if for example, some products, initially they launched tablets in healthcare. It has not picked well because smoking is a different habit. Those smokers, though they want to quit the smoking, they cannot compare cigarette with a tablet, and that is the reason that therapy did not click. Later, few companies launched a gum kind of product that also is there in the market. Electronic cigarette is there. These are all the various ways industries and the healthcare companies are trying to help the people to quit smoking. So we thought the best method would be our NicoMel Strips. That oral disintegration strips, what I talked earlier, is a very handy, very nice product for anybody to handle and use it. So we brought the nicotine 2 milligram, which is approved by the regulators, and it is used as a anti-tobacco product, and now it is available in the market everywhere, called as NicoMel Strips, and it would be very easy for a smoker.
No business in India, I guess, can really function in a vacuum outside of the government and really government support. True, also, I would presume for your industry, what sort of involvement, what sort of help, what sort of engagement would you like to see from the government? Are you expecting to see from the government?
Government help right now would be required, which they are already in the process. Internationally, if you see these over-the-counter products, there is a clear-cut guideline which are the products listed in the over-the-counter products, and it is easy for the companies and the pharmacies or shops to sell those products. Now government is in the process, regulatory bodies are in the process of doing that in India. We are not having more clarity on that front, which are the products which is over-the-counter products, and which are to be sold only under prescription. These are some challenges which the regulatory authorities are already taking notes and working on it.
We spoke briefly about a few of your products, but I want you to, as we're closing this interview down, to talk to us about the whole range of products that you have at Inventz.
The third product we have is very good product, which is called Heads Up tablets for men, Heads Up tablet for women. This is a biotin vitamin B tablet for the prevention of hair fall. So prevention of hair fall, because everybody does a lot of magic remedies for hair fall, hair growth, but technically, pharmacologically, biotin is a B vitamin required for growth of your hair or keep your hair healthy. So we have internationally, these products are available in India. We have launched one version for male and one version for female, because female requires some daily requirement of iron and other things. So Heads Up men, Heads Up women are there. These are the current products. We are planning to extend future products we are planning to launch some. We want to give the benefit of curcumin to the people, because we all know turmeric has curcumin, which is used for anti-cancer, and similarly we are bringing a product for all alcoholics to strengthen their liver. These are the kind of health-oriented product which we would like to give to our consumers.
All right, last question then. What are some of the future plans that you can share with us?
Thank you. That Inventz Life Science, right now we are on all metro towns. So we thought, it's a new technology. I've been talking from the beginning. All our products are unique. There is a little amount of challenge is available, is there on our side to educate the people. So we are going in a phased way of launch. So we are present right now in metros and now coming into the tier 2 towns also soon. So our next 3 years plan would be launching 3 to 4 more new products, new technology products in the healthcare segment. Also take this product to the tier 2 towns. That is our plan.
JJ, good having you here on the show.
Thank you, Sunanda. Thanks for your time. Thank you very much.
All right, let's slip into a short break. On the other side, Lifespan is our second The Influencer conversation. What is this very innovative company doing and how they managed to gain traction in a short span of time? More when we come back. Just stay tuned. Welcome back. You're with us here on Leaders of Tomorrow, and tonight our second The Influencer conversation is with Lifespan. Good having you here on the show with us. I want to talk about the journey that you've had at Lifespan. 2014 is when you launched, and in a span of just about 4 or 5 years, you've become the largest as far as diabetes management and the chains really are concerned in India. How has that been possible? What has that been like for you?
The journey has been incredible. It has been incredible and challenging. Lifespan started as a single clinic in 2014 in Mumbai. We grew up and became 2 clinics by the end of the year. Before a year back, the founder of the clinics passed away, and then we took over. What we are seeing is a huge need across the country for quality healthcare service. There is not a lot of options for diabetic patients to find clinics that can actually provide them with quality care. So there is a huge demand, and we provide the quality and the kind of service that the patient needs. Now it's about the reach. How do we take these clinics? How do we take our quality, maintain it, and then also expand across the country? We are still already the largest diabetic clinic with more than 57 clinics, and we have served more than 1 lakh patients in the country. But we would like to keep going, get to at least 200 clinics by the end of the year. And to do that, what we have started doing is reaching out and connecting with qualified diabetologists who can provide the same quality of care, take the kind of service that is embodied into Lifespan, and franchise with us and spread us and across the country.
If one were to look at the data as far as diabetes and the prevalence of diabetes in India is concerned, India is known as the diabetes capital of the world. That's definitely very grim. The statistics, of course, don't look good. If you can give us a sense of what you're doing when it comes to perhaps ensuring that information, curbing the prevalence of this disease, etc., concern, what steps are you undertaking?
The key is awareness. Awareness. Without awareness, diabetes becomes a much more challenging disease to handle. The first thing I would like to say is diabetes is a disorder, not a disease, right? So to manage the disorder, a full understanding of the disorder is first required. So from a cardio, metabolic, and a neuro perspective, understanding and managing the disease is key to solving the problem of diabetes. So here at Lifespan, what we do is not just focus on reducing blood glucose level, but holistically manage patients' health and reverse diabetes. So if you see, before 10 to 15 years, when my father had diabetes, I used to take him to a clinic at 7 a.m. in the morning. We will have our fasting glucose checkup, and then wait for 2 hours, take food, do the postprandial glucose checkup, and then doctor comes in, we have a consultation with dietitian. When we are done, when we walk out of the clinic, it will be 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So diabetes itself was a tough disorder to manage. Patients were made to sit in hospital for hours, trying to teach, trying to see if they really have a big problem or not. Right now, with lifespan, with advancements in the field itself, we are able to remotely monitor patient's blood glucose level. We are able to provide care at the patient's house. We are able to also holistically see where the patient is and create plans that are geared to the patient itself. So the key here is something that works for you will not work for me. Medicines, lifestyles, food. So the same diet will not help you, though it helps me, manage diabetes better. So the key is to find what is really working for that particular patient and providing that right kind of treatment.
While your business is, of course, something that has developed in the digital and in the tech age, my question to you is how much of an impact really technology and digital has really had on your business model, and how you've sort of prepared for those changes, and how that's going to continue having an impact as far as every aspect of your business is concerned. How has your business model really changed in the healthcare space given really the prevalence of digital and technology?
Right. So from managing glucose to diabetic titrations, now we are at a point where we are looking at diabetics related issues, cardiometabolic issues, neuropathy, nephropathy. But then what we are seeing in the recent years and what we at Lifespan are adopting is the use of digital technology to manage diabetes better. So what you are seeing right now with Lifespan and with all of the niche clinics across the world, and what US FDA also recommends, is that diabetes is not always about high glucose, right? So you have to continuously monitor your glucose over a period to understand your glucose fluctuations. You can be suffering from hypoglycemia early in the morning. That can change your lifestyle, and then if you're taking your medications at that time, you're going to be in serious problem, right? So what digital transformation has helped us do is understand these patterns, remotely monitor these patterns, provide customized care to patients to understand what works for them, provide them dietary guidance that can help them manage their lifestyle better, communicating with patients on a better basis through technology, through apps, through live connects, and that has just revolutionized the entire space of diabetes.
So we started this conversation by discussing how much you've grown over the last 4 or 5 years, and I understand today you have over 40 clinics, 109 doctors, 53 dietitians, and nearly 90,000 patients. And my question is, with such a wide footprint, how do you ensure that the quality of your service, the quality of your business is being maintained?
That's a very good question. So quality has been our prime motto, and to maintain the kind of quality in our clinics and the high standards, we have an auditing team of doctors that continuously review the prescriptions, the medications, and the process that is being followed at every clinics. We also have continuous awareness among doctors. We upgrade them, and we have CMB training with our doctors to make sure that they are up to date with the latest news in diabetes. We are also in discussions with clinics abroad to kind of enable partnerships and manage the kind of quality that we are known for.
I understand you have an advisory body of diabetologists. Can you give us more sense on that?
Yes, we do have an advisory body of diabetologists that can help us guide and provide good SOPs, good treatment procedures, and basically monitor the group of diabetologists that are available in our clinics to basically just help them, provide the kind of quality care that is known and associated with Lifespan.
We were talking about the large footprint you have when it comes to clinics and doctors, but just very briefly, can also tell us what the methodology is when it comes to onboarding doctors, franchisees, how do you really do that?
Absolutely. So we are seeing a huge need. We are seeing patients outside metros, outside where our coverage area is, constantly reach out to us. asking about our service and how we plan to expand and reach out to their area. So we started looking at doctors and trained diabetologists to partner with us to set up franchises in all cities across India. And what we can offer them is the kind of training and support, diabetic support, diabetologist, dietitian support, and also the infrastructure, the IT infrastructure, the diagnostic infrastructure, the prescription management infrastructure that can help them quickly set up. And also we can, with the brand name and with the kind of awareness that people have about lifespan, we can quickly enable them with a lot of patients. And using this brand and our infrastructure, doctors can quickly and efficiently set up diabetic clinics.
Okay, very briefly then, as we're running out of time on this interview, what are your expansion plans like? What can you tell us on that?
So at this point, we are already the largest diabetic clinic in India. We do plan to expand. We see that there is a huge demand in outside metro cities for quality care in diabetics. And we also see that there is a huge demand across doctors, established diabetologists, to understand and to upgrade themselves with what is latest, with the kind of sophisticated service that a clinic like Lifespan provides. So what we are planning to do is franchise and connect with doctors outside metros across India. Basically, what we want to do is enable these doctors, franchise with us, take the Lifespan way, and provide the same kind of quality care to their patients.
All right. Thanks for your time here on the show. Have a good time.
Thank you.
All right, that's our show tonight. If you have any feedback for us, we love hearing from you. Here's how you get in touch. leadersoftomorrowtimesgroup.com is our email ID. Get in touch with us on social media. Sunanda_J on Twitter. LOT_ET Now is our official Twitter handle. On Facebook, we are at Leaders of Tomorrow on ET Now. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.